Hi, welcome back. This is one of the, you can say, important session, but you must know this importance of workflows in SAP or S4 HANA for functional consultants. It's purely not for technical consultants. Disclaimer, because I'm not going to do any workflow configuration. This configuration basically done by your technical consultants or security consultants. What exactly happens in real time? Okay. Suppose you created a sales order. Okay, the sales order, assume that have some business condition, like if sales order is more than $10,000, it will go to Smith from business approver like manager or something. If sales order more than 1 lakh, it will go to your vice president or something like that. Otherwise 1 lakh dollars or 1 lakh euros or 1 lakh AED is worth stock, it went outside, it's gone. Like that, some 100 orders gone, it's gone, total customer gone. So that's why importance of workflow will be there. It will go to the right person, it will go to his inbox. How you have Gmail, how you have Outlook, how you have Yahoo Mail, like that you are receiving so many messages from your friends and everybody, or else job notification. In the similar way for business also, for sales order to approve in this cycle, this is the one. Okay, and one more also there in business for sales. For example, at sales order level only. So now we talk about the net value. Now let's talk about the discount actually. So like if you'd like to give discount, it will go to the primary approver, like till 1% or 2%. If it is more than 10%, it will go to the your sales manager. If it is more than 20-25%, it will go to the again vice president or general manager or main business owners approvers. How you are going to manage all these things? These scenarios purely managed by business workflows. Okay, most of the times it will be there in a OTC sales order or purchase order cycle. It will be there in purchase order. They have their own automation for purchase order that we can able to see in future. If I find sometime I can show you, but sales order it is difficult actually. So these notifications for approval. Okay, let's see this. What is the transaction code? Especially it is useful in your support project. Okay, so even I have forgotten, I have taken help of one of my colleague to help you out. Okay, let's see this. So these are the two transactions. SWBP, I have already explained you what is inbox in SAP inbox on your name, like how you have Gmail. In the similar way, you have a inbox, or your colleagues also having the inbox for approval. Sometimes you will have a multi-level approval. For example, if a certain order is blocked because of credit limit is crossed, who will approve it? Probably like that is the person is doing last 10 years, the distributor is doing business with Cadbury or Unilever, whatever, it's retail, they need faster the goods, that is the festive season. What they have to do is, what they can do is, they have to take the approval to release VKM3. It's not so easy like VKM3, VKM5. You go and release it like how you are practicing. Again, it will go to the credit representative, or else it will go to the value is more. It go to the top level. Once they approves, they can approve, or else if they don't want it, they can reject. The workflow item as an action item, it will come and sit there in inbox, respective inbox. For that, they have to configure email ID. That is different story. You will have something called distribution list. I have explained in my previous videos. I have 450 plus videos. Please go through it. I'm telling you, don't cry for that. I'm not getting job. I'm not getting job. I'm not getting job. Okay, do it. Work hard. See these whatever the things I have given in my YouTube channel or Udemy. No one didn't give even a single piece 10 years ago. Okay, so I'm not discouraging you. Recession also giving jobs, right? You try. Anyhow, all these are the, let's get to the topic. And I'm sorry if I say something. So if you see this, I'm currently holding 3,743 students. In that I have SAP SD sales and distribution in plain English detailed. This is actually 93 hours. If you want, you can try it. If you are really interested in pricing, this is the basic course. And apart from that, I have one more course, SAP SD ECC S4 HANA expert advanced learning. Okay, you have something called rebates, and FSCM is booming now. financial supply minimum SD FI integration. SD consultant can go through this course. Even this rating is low also, no worries. You will get some concept before getting into the S4 HANA. Okay. Getting master to write functional specification. This is everyone should do this one. Okay. So this is all these are the different set of courses. And recently I have done one best course. This is 100% helpful for any SAP consultants, real-time idoc training for consultants with business actually. Like 3 scenarios I explained: purchase order, inbound, from source to destination, sales order with reference to purchase order from source, purchase order information coming, destination. Okay, target system, sales order created. For once created, I want to send notification to my vendor or plant. That is also happen. All these 3 scenarios, and in future I will try to add invoice or delivery if possible. Okay. This is all about my courses. If you want, you can give a try. Now let's get into the topic. Now let's get into the SAP now quickly. Okay, I think it seems to be my SAP got expired. What should I do now? Let me keep the screen for some time. Let me open my SAP. Okay, let me get into the SAP screen quickly. Now let's try to explore. This is the practice system. Probably I cannot show my real-time system. So must have ethics, right? Okay. And again, they will put you in jail if you show this one. Never do such kind of mistakes. So let's go to the transaction. So like this is sale. How come it's not working? Oh, what happened to the screen? Let me close this screen. Let me reopen again SAP. Let me try to share the screen again. It's disconnected. No issues. Okay, I think you can able to see my screen perfectly all right this time. Okay, SWBP. Okay, sorry. So let me show you this one. This is business workplace. Okay, this is the inbox. So it is configured with my user. Somebody sent some notifications. So for example, if you get, okay, save change on priority, who sent and where it is sent. This is how you will get a notifications. Okay, let's see. This is generated by other people. Everybody is working, right? Okay. So this is one thing. Either it might be standard notifications or email. This is how it will be configured actually. So partner folders and share folders I have explained previously. Don't get into that. You have an inbox and outbox like that. Okay, SWIA. Now let's get into this transaction. This is the transaction for process work item as administrator. For example, if you have access in future or else in production, you take an access, certain time workflow might be failed. I will tell you the reasons. The person who is working due to COVID or else some XYZ reasons, he left the job. What will happen? So workflow go to his inbox, his email ID is disabled. What will happen? It will fail. Such a case, who is responsible? It will come as a ticket to you. Okay. So let's try to take some old data, because today means if I created something, it should come. I'm just taking from 2022 till date. Okay. Let's check some data. So now see this. Okay. Some workflows came. Okay. If you see, this is the workflow ID, like it will be generated. So if error is error, Completed means completed, ready means ready. Like this you will get it. Okay, let's come back. Okay, let's execute this. Someone has taken a workflow items, that's why that is different story. Anyhow, you try to understand this. This is completed means completed, started means just started workflow. Okay, so if you see this button to refresh this, if anything is there it will come automatically. Okay, or else someone might have put the filter, that is different story. Let's try to understand this. This is the status. So if I come here, okay, so someone has created, so let's go to the statuses actually. Okay, so identification means, so you have a ready status means ready, and reserved means reserved, in progress means error, completed, like that, different statuses you have. Whatever it may be, completed means completed and executed. Two statuses are there. Executed and completed. Cancel. These status you cannot able to check anything. So when you can able to do everything, then only you will get all these buttons. If you see this for refresh and for choosing the details, this is for executing the work item. For example, if I can able to execute this. Okay, so it is practice system, don't worry. This is for reactivate entry. This is very, very important. For example, I'll take this one. Okay, if I click this administration forward, okay, it's completed, then you cannot able to forward it, but you can able to forward this one. For example, if I take this, okay, any one of the object, let's give a try. So now see this user, for example, I am giving my user ID. If I try this, I myself cannot forward any email or something like that, right? If we click this, not like email at least you can forward. There is no meaningful. Let's try to give, this is another person ID, but I cannot open his inbox. He is another user. Let's continue. So now what is the message? This is got forwarded. Okay, so now let's try to refresh this. Okay, so still it will be with you. If you are forwarded, you can approve or else you can also approve. Let's try to check this one. Okay, so if you wanted to like approve on your own, okay, so let's double click this. Okay, you can able to see this activities and all those things. Okay, so you will have activities, this one. Okay, and available objects, it's not with you, you can able to see the log also. Okay, if you want, let's see the log. So currently this is the written order created. Okay, save change on priority. If I click this, so for example, I don't have access. If have access, we can able to do it. Let's select this. You can send email also, other person, like that. Okay, so let's click this. Okay, let me try to check some more data. So it is started, it is saying, so if I would like to approve this without any approver manually, if I want to do it, let's complete it manually. Sometimes if you do it, or else you can replace it manually. For example, if I do manually, what it is asking, approve. Let's select this, complete manually. See now what happened? Work item completed. Okay, this is manually completed. As of now, you have seen ready, right? So let's refresh this. See, now it is got completed, both gone. Okay, so like that you can able to do it. Let me check some more data. So maybe 2016 will take it. If any old data is there, okay, still it is not there. Who kept? So no filter. Okay, no issues. This is how you can able to do it. I think complete manually means there is no approver specifically. Okay, this is for, it is with one person. So that person left the job. What you have to do? You have to forward to another person. Like how I said, these two are important here. Okay. Display work item container. You can able to see this medium workflow creator and all those things. Okay. let me try to give. I have chosen the time, that's why it came like this. I think let me take it 01. So let's execute. Probably I will get more items now. Now see this, how many workflow items are there because of timing only. It is gone. So now let's try to understand this. Okay, it's ready. So let's try to. I'll show you again one more time. If you want, you can forward like this. You can give the person name. Okay. So this one, if I wanted to execute, let's execute. No administrator found, no issues. So let's take some more item. It can be like for your sales order delivery billing. It can be anything actually. Okay. Cannot started. So if you say complete it manually, certain things. Okay. So in real time, you don't get these kind of errors because this is created by someone, for practice actually. Okay. Mm, So let's take this. So hire and create a building room number. Someone is trying something else actually. This is something on doubting. So SD people and MM people not required. Let's do it. Complete manually. So now see workflow it is coming. So complete it manually. So it is asking to select this. Select this. Then click on this. So select. Okay. So work item is manually completed. When you refresh this, that is got either error or completed, it will come. Okay, because this is not the proper system. Okay, so this is started, this is ready, but so let's click this. Okay, activities. What are all the objects available? Process object. Okay, returns. If I want, I can display this, but say now you go to your return order, right? Like this. Okay. So approver is available, then only you can able to approve it. Otherwise, this return order someone has created, it created a workflow. Okay. Suppose if I click without check. Okay. So now see this workflow. Because I'm not approver, that's why it's not coming. It is practice system. Try to understand me. If I want, I can approve it, cancel it, reject it. Okay. Let's approve it. Okay. Refresh. So that is got approved and completed. Okay. Now let's go for this item. So again, without check, some customer creation it seems to be. So if I say that it is allowing row, so now it is got created. Okay. If I say complete item like this also it will come. Okay. Let's go for another one. So let's see this. This is again completed. Let's see. Let's try to do this one. Status as ready. Okay. So that we can play with the data, right? Where is this? Complete sales order. We can take this sales order. Okay. It is asking again without check. So it is asking something else. Personal master record something. Okay. Does not exist. Let's take this. So old system, right? Created and deletion also might happen. See, now it has been saved. Okay. So it's got completed. If we refresh this, it will go to the bottom. It will gone. 3 new entries came. You can new customer, new purchase, order request. Let's see for this for MM people without check. Some issue not released. It will show some errors also. So complete this work item. Let me keep this. So let's try to get into some more items. So vendor, okay. Too many are there in your practice system. Also, you can open and you can try on your practice system so that you can help yourself. So many errors are there, customers are there. So let's check this new customer without check. Okay. Customer means it is creating customer, right? Okay. Complete work item. So let me try to check. So let's see this return order. Without check, let's try to reject it. Okay. Like that, you can able to play with workflows. You try to remember this. Okay. So /n. So this is the inbox, business workplace. So inbox. So 100 documents. Someone has like you, like me only practicing. These are the workflows, no authorization. So some documents, some workflows. Okay. IS4 unit of measurement P1 is not assigned. This why it is coming because last time we tried for one idoc. Okay, it is failed. Then it is showing the notification. So the ship to party cannot be used. General notification will be there. Workflow. For example, this one is there. If you want, okay, let's click. See how it is going like this. Okay. So certain things I cannot able to show you fully this one. Attachments will be there. You will get attachments. Okay. And all those things. This inbox I have already explained you. I think that was the time S4 and I have taken a lot of blank things are there. But this one is good. I have some data. That's why I'm explaining now. Okay. This is something foreground processing. It is failed. Okay. So that's why. Okay. I think it's really fantastic session. If you really want, you can try. Okay. So you try your old ECC practice system from backdated and you try to observe all this. This is how you can learn. See, 10 days ago, no one didn't tell I'm coming and giving some knowledge, give respect to it. If you like it, you can like it. And if you want share, you can share it. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. I'm just providing links of my Udemy links. If you want to really try, you can try. Jai Hind.